Hey, I'm Mike. I'm at Chain Lakes, and you're fishing with Paul B, baby.
Okay, we're at the lake. A little bit late start. Had to stop where there was Wi-Fi to get her fishing license printed or downloaded. We also went and got breakfast sandwiches this morning. A little late, a little light out. All right, y'all ready for the ice? Wait, pee-pee?
Yes, I want pee-pee.
Yeah, pee-pee. There's our spot. Okay, so today we're going to use the, I believe it's a TJJ Chubby. That's that little guy there. 4-pound line, and our secret ingredient. You guys have to figure that one out on your own.
Step in the hole.
First drop down hole. So there we are, we're down hole, dropping line, and that's bottom. You give it this little. There you go, reel.
It's real?
Lift up and reel. Lift. Lift up. There you go. You got a fish.
Faster, slower.
Whatever.
Oh, look at that! Yay! Bring it up on the ice?
Yeah, bring them over here.
He's so cute!
There you go.
Oh no!
Hold on so you can see them.
Can he see you? A tiny wee.
They're interested in it. Just boiling up lake water. Gonna make a couple. There he is. Get out of the hole.
Oh! Do you want me to help you? I'm gonna come around there because I can't see you.
It's okay. Fish with Paul B, baby. Something on the end? There's nothing on there.
There's nothing on there.
Okay, reset it. All right, well, today's fishing tip. Oh, but then subscribe. But the fishing tip is cooked shrimp. We were using raw shrimp. They were stripping our hooks. We boiled some up. We're getting more hits. There's the tip of the day. Got him?
No, I think I lost him. Is it?
Pull up. Check your bait. Lift up, lift up. We want to check that, right?
Oh.
He might have took the bait. And then you just want to check and make sure that the bait's still on there. Which it is. That still looks all right. Yeah, drop her down again. So you just fish it handed, yeah, line it down. Yeah, exactly. Fishing with Wendy B. Doot, 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 doot. There it is. Hey, it matters. It matters. It makes a difference. Just doot, 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 doot. Pull him over. There he is. Oh wow, is that ever chrome?
Yeah, it's
Look at that lateral line on him, that pink line. Wow. Grab your fishy.
tight enough.
It's okay.
I don't want to
Take the hook out?
Can I?
Yep.
Slide.
It's okay.
Sorry. Can't get it out.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Let him go.
Let him go?
Let him go.
Ugh.
That was right on the bottom, so it's probably a sucker. Oh!
Oh, no, you lost it.
That's okay. Oh, I'm not even
What?
gonna keep you.
Oh, it's too little?
Well, he's pretty little. Maybe not. Oh, can I have the pliers? I'll be able to get that jig out, no problem. It's just in his lip, but alright. Here's your Paul B. This guy's too little. When you come up, right? Lift slow. See if there's weight on it. There, reel. There you go, you got a fish.
Hey. Oh, it's still in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Reel, 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 and pull him out of the hole as soon as he gets up.
Okay.
There it is.
I got another one. Is that too young?
No.
No? Wider than the other ones.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Here.
a little further up even.
Like that.
There you go.
What's that squeaky noise? That's
His air bladder, yeah. Okay. And that is on the TJJ Chubby. Oh. What are you caught on? There we go. Oh, okay.
All right.
There you go. Okay.
That's slimy.
So, where are you hitting him? Run your finger on here. You'll feel where his skull is.
Right there. Yeah.
Yeah, so his spine is the closest right there. Don't film
Yeah.
this.
Don't film it. Okay.
You hit him right there.
Yeah.
That's it. See how his eye
Okay.
popped out? Done.
Yeah. All right.
Done.
Fishing with Paul B.
Fishing with Randy B. Yeah, that's bottom for sure. So close the bail, reel in, like reel down to the hole. Okay, stop there. Yeah, now gentle lift. What? I'm trying to, okay. Here, take it. Trying to put the GoPro in my mouth. That's funny. Alright, that's a little better. Hey, and he de-hooked himself. Oh, and he's going back for his home. Fishing with Paul B, baby. Just in the lip where we like it. Oh, top lip. Looks like a bottom lip. There. Not a very big one, but
Fish nonetheless.
fish nonetheless. That's number 9. Okay, so did you have fun?
Yes.
It was warm. She wants to try in our ice tent next time, but for now we didn't limit out. We actually ran out of bait. We lost a lot of bait because it was raw. After we boiled it, it turned pink, became much more rubbery, and we kept a lot more fish and a lot more bait. And there it is. There's our dinner. Do you want to put her in 2-wheel drive and do some donuts?
No.
Yeah, just keep going. You definitely march to a different drummer when you drive on the ice. We got this big, beautiful road in front of us, but Wendy wanted the 4x4 through everybody's fish camps. You got a date with the outhouse?
I do.
All right. The downside of being a girl, you got to come all the way back to the outhouse just to go pee. All right. There we are, another Saturday at Chain Lakes. This one took us a little longer to limit out. Again, early morning there was like maybe 10 people on the lake. Now there's got to be easily 50 tents, 50 vehicles. So get out here before the sun comes up. We got here a bit late on this trip. Missed that morning bite like you saw in my last video. And it took us 3 hours to limit out. So met a nice guy named Mike. You saw him in the beginning of the video. Mike, go on my Instagram page and let everybody know if you've got an Instagram handle. That guy lost all of his fishing gear in a fire. Now he's gonna get insurance, but Mike, give everybody your Instagram handle. It's a beautiful community on YouTube and the fishing community. So again, hit the like and subscribe, and of course, hit the subscribe button. We'll see you guys next time. Chain Lakes, Alberta, Southern Alberta, Chain Lakes Reservoir. Fishing with Paul B, baby.
Fishing with Paul B, baby.
That's what you get when you're fishing with Paul B. When you're fishing with Paul B. When you're fishing with Paul B.